Crazy wood processing machines. Biggest wood cutting factory, Sawmills. In our world, we use a lot of wood. We grow it, we use it. This is just how it has always been. But in order to make more out of it, humans have evolved to adapt to new processing ways to make a living out of wood. Today we are talking about crazy wood processing machines and big wood cutting factories, and also amazing sawmills. It is so much that we are sure you would not want to miss any of it. But before going on with our video, hit that subscribe button to watch more videos like this one. Now let's get going. Sherwood series milling machines.
It usually is how loose the table is, so you grab the table and see if there's any.
We all know that a simple plain log on its own is not really useful for, anything actually. But the thing is, once a log is cut into shapes, it can be used in endless ways. That is exactly where the Sherwood series milling machines come in. This beast of a machine can shave down logs into 20 feet long and only 1.25 feet wide. The blade spins at around 950 RPM at the cylinder's head and 300 RPM around the milling spindles. It can also be outfitted with a hydraulic drive system to help load fresh logs and to remove the newly cut ones. The machine is designed for the production of rounded logs with a longitudinal groove and a compensating cut for laying in a frame with a diameter of 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 280, 300, 320 millimeter. The machine is also equipped with two hydraulic cylinders with platforms on the rods for lifting and adjusting the position of the log in front of the clamp. Inside the frame, it is possible to install a scraper belt conveyor for waste disposal. In an additional configuration, the machine can be supplied with a system with a hydraulic drive for loading raw logs and removing finished products, as well as a system for single-piece feeding of logs to the machine. WoodWorking Enterprises, specializing in the manufacture of house parts from rounded logs, with a production volume of up to 6,000 meters cubed of finished products per year, with two-shift work. Wowzy! Phaser peeling line Compensa. Turning a raw log into useful wood is a long process. But luckily, the peeling line from Phaser can make it seem like a moment passed in the blink of an eye. No, seriously, this machine can take even the most bulky and cumbersome logs and peel them down to just the right width and length and height. The waste from this process is funneled out through a clipping gate to make cleanup simple. Bells Machining Super Splitter. Up next, we have a machine that allows you to split huge logs down to a manageable size. By that, we mean we have Bells Machining Super Splitter, the envy of beavers and lumberjacks across the world. This powerful machine has a 76 splitting force that can crack right through any log in its way. The Super Splitter can cut logs up to 9.5 feet long and 42 inches across with its impressive and intelligent four-way wedge. And if that was not enough, it also has a wireless control so a single operator can both load and split. The Bells Machining Super Splitter has multiple impressive features like sturdy beam frames, 76 tons of splitting force, and also that no extra engines are required to process this beast. Which means that it is connected directly to a Bells processor. The machine also has some options for the user, like it has an adjustable wedge and tandem axles that have brakes and light kits both. A small, easy-to-use remote control allows you to split logs from a distance. The Super Splitter can connect directly to your Bells firewood processor, so no extra power sources are required. Clearman Industries HD852 Debarker. Clearman Industries is built upon the very simple concept of providing only top-quality machinery and industry-leading service. Beginning in 1955 with the sale of the first Clearman carriage, the product line now includes carriage drives, log troughs, log turners, and all manner of material handling equipment, and the revolutionary Lumber Pro. The new HD852 roster head debarker is no different. Recognizing that if Clearman built a roster head debarker, it would be extremely heavy-duty and incorporate movements to address as many of the weak points of other manufacturers' designs. Improvements like cast alloy steel bull wheels, 3 15/16-inch bull wheel shafts, Clearman HD carriage wheels riding on heavy-duty replaceable vertical tracks, proprietary balanced ambidextrous segmented aluminum head, Clearman exclusive Fixed head design on swell-reducing head creates the perfect profile. Remote machine grease plate. Comfortable operator's booth with Clearman-exclusive palm-flat joystick controls mounted into a deluxe armrest joystick seat. Touchscreen diagnostic control system for easy troubleshooting of machine. Fact is, roster head debarkers haven't changed in over 50 years, until now. Such is the trust Clearman owners hold for the company that the first Clearman HD852 roster head debarker was sold before it even existed in a blueprint. Brussa wooden screw machine. Not all screws are made equal. In fact, some are precisely and accurately made out of wood. Brussa wooden screw machine is able to exactly and specifically shape and crave the intricate threads of screw in no time. Just in general, Brussa wooden screw machine manufacturers make a wide range of lathes and cutting machines for creating wood products. They even make wooden handles for tools, shovel handles, pick handles, hammer handles, rake handles, broom handles, walking sticks, wood chair fittings, staircases, handrails, stair spindles, wood dowels, wooden screws, and wood furniture components. Frontier sawmills. Making wooden boards requires milling, which takes refined logs and processes them into planks. Planks that are used in woodworking, of course. While most mills are large and require a lot of space, the Frontier sawmills is quite convenient, yet very powerful alternative for low-space areas. The Frontier sawmill can process logs up to 27 meters in diameter, with its small but much effective 420cc engine. The mill is known to slice even through the most stubborn logs ever. The Frontier equipment is a very reliable mid-size sawmill with even more horsepower to serve your milling needs. The machine is actually very capable, strong and dependable, and it also has a muscular workhorse, ready for almost any job you can think of, with greater log capacity and an electric start option. Its adjustable blade guides the user and allows them to make the blade width narrower, which therefore results in more control on the smaller cuts. Other models in this price range do not have this, so this was a benefit. The infinite adjustable blade height is useful because you can cut any board thickness you would like. Price-wise, this mill offered a 23-inch guide-to-guide cut in a $3,200 package. This was really a big factor in terms of value.
And the rest can be put together in a single day or even less.
Lights Plug Tech Window Corner Joint. Woodworking can be an incredibly precise and beautiful skill to have, and believe it or not, this is particularly true when making framed windows. A part of the process includes the usage of dowels. Dowels are small and tiny wooden pins and pieces that are stuck into two different pieces of wood to join them together and offer structural reinforcement. This can require an immense amount of precision and consistency. To reach the desired effects, this is where Lights Plug Tech window corner joints come into play. This joint is incredibly and astonishingly stable and well-fitting, and even allows for many different profiles and widths for maximum customization. These joints can also support up to 180 kilograms at the sash weight.
Fräser, diese muss man nachschaufeln, wird bei uns.
System TM OptiJoint. The process of preparing the edges of various boards for gluing is known as jointing. And although the first ever tools for it were made by hands centuries ago, more sophisticated methods have been created over time. System TM OptiJoint machine allows for incredibly precise and steady jointing and can accommodate nearly any type or size of wood. The work pieces can be transported incredibly quickly along its length thanks to its computer integrated systems. It's honestly hard to get better than this. What do you think of these incredibly smart and new but crazy wood processing machines and equipments? Well, don't hesitate and let us know in the comments below. We always appreciate when you guys comment, and we are always wanting to read them. So don't forget to comment down which TV did you like best. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content. Also, hit the bell icon button so that you'll get a notification whenever we post a new video.